Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Fab's in the house and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm in the house with this little fella right over here. I've got the Igor Oleinikov Inspire short here with me for a quick review. But hey, don't forget to like the video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, don't forget to leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you guys think about this one over here, and let's get started. This is gonna be pretty quick and sweet and painless. 3.4 inch long for the cutting edge, you got 4.5 inch long for the handle. Overall length is gonna be a little bit less than 8 inches. And here we got a Russian custom Igor Oleinikov Inspire short. This is the shortest version of the Inspire, which is a titanium frame lock custom knife made in Russia. It's gonna be around $1,100, like $1,000, more or less, to acquire this pretty nifty, pretty cool knife. It is a titanium frame lock with some pretty cool milling going on in the skates, like nice futuristic, these are kind of like neural network kind of, you see, like Tron graphic or nodes and links and neurons and axons. I don't know, guys, what this is, but this is absolutely cool. It remembers me something like, you know, a circuit board, something in that chords. So anyways, this is a nicely milled titanium frame lock. It has as you can see, like a slight anodization going on, like a slight bronze anode going on for the scales. You got titanium backspacer, titanium tip-up carry only pocket clip, stainless steel insert for the lock face, no jimping. Nice M390 blade, satin finish with a lot of my fingerprints on it. It's well done, guys. Really cool satin going on over here. Early lockup, runs on IKBS, so loose ceramic ball bearings. You can also check out my maintenance video if you want to know a little bit more about that. Let's quickly check the weight, because it's not that heavy, actually. There's some nice internal milling going on, so pretty cool skeletonization for this fella, weighing in at 3.49 ounces, so we can't complain about that. I mean, it's not a big one, but still, it has a nice weight to it. No jimping in the flipper tab. There is no billboarding going on the show side nor on the lock side. Everything you gotta see is kind of like engraved on the inside, on the lock side, and it's I mean, it's a nice one. It's very slim, sleek, elegant. The only thing is like the early lockup, which is probably gonna wear over time, but that's my, and the accessibility of the lock bar, those are probably my only nitpicks for this little fella right over here, but for the rest, it's a pretty cool one. So there you have it, guys. If you want to know more, please check out my full-length review, and thanks for watching. Stay tuned.